សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់វីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំបាទអញ្ចឹងពេលនេះខ្ញុំបានវិលត្រឡប់ជួបបងប្អូនសាជាថ្មីបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំមានវីដេអូថ្មីដើម្បីចែកជូនទៅដល់អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាផងដែរបាទអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងវីដេអូនេះគឺខ្ញុំសូមនិយាយអំពី ZTE បាទដែលជាទូរស័ព្ទដែលក្រុមហ៊ុន ZTE ដែលបានគាត់បង្ហាញនៅឯគេហៅថា IFA 2018នៅទីក្រុង Berlin នៅប្រទេសអាល្លឺម៉ង់បាទអញ្ចឹងហេតុផលដែលខ្ញុំចង់និយាយនេះគឺខ្ញុំឃើញថា ZTE គាត់បានងើបឡើងវិញបាទចាប់តាំងពីពេលដែលគាត់មានបញ្ហាចម្រូងចម្រាសជាមួយនឹងរដ្ឋាភិបាលទីក្រុង Washington បាទប្រទេសអាមេរិកណាបាទអញ្ចឹងពេលនោះគាត់បានលះបង់មិនមែនលះបង់ទេមានន័យថាគាត់បានផ្អាកផលិតទូរស័ព្ទស៊េរី Axon របស់គាត់នេះបាទអស់រយៈពេល2-3ឆ្នាំមកម្លេះបាទតាំងពីឆ្នាំ2016ណាបាទអញ្ចឹងគាត់នៅតែផលិតទូរស័ព្ទអញ្ចឹងមានស៊េរីផ្សេងទៀតដូចជាពពួក ZTE Nobi អញ្ចឹងទៅបាទអញ្ចឹង ZTE Nobi នេះអត់មានលក្ខណៈលក់ជាលក្ខណៈ worldwide ទេបាទភាគច្រើនការលក់ទូរស័ព្ទ ZTE Nobi នេះគឺមាននៅប្រទេសចិនហើយនិងប្រទេសមួយចំនួននៅប៉ែកអឺរ៉ុបតែប៉ុណ្ណឹងបាទអញ្ចឹងគឺស្អាតមែនទែន ZTE Nobi នេះបងប្អូនបើសិនជាបងប្អូនចង់ដឹងអីបងប្អូនអាចឆែកមើលទៅលើអ៊ីនធឺណិតអញ្ចឹងទៅបាទមានព័ត៌មានច្រើនដែរអំពី ZTE Nobi បាទអញ្ចឹងឆ្នាំនេះ ZTE ក៏គាត់មិនស្ងាត់ដែរបាទគាត់នៅងើបផលិតទូរស័ព្ទសាជាថ្មីទៀតដែលមានឈ្មោះថា ZTE Axon 9បាទឬក៏ ZTE Axon 9 Pro បាទចំពោះការ design របស់ ZTE Axon 9 Pro មួយនេះក៏មានលក្ខណៈស្តេងគ្នាទៅនឹងទូរស័ព្ទស៊េរីកំពូលពីក្រុមហ៊ុនដទៃទៀតដែរអញ្ចឹងការ design នៅក្នុងឆ្នាំ2018នេះយើងពិតជាពិបាកឲ្យតម្លៃទៅឲ្យបន្ទុកថាខាងក្រុមហ៊ុនណា design ស្អាតជាងក្រុមហ៊ុនណាមែនទែនបាទពិបាកមែនទែនគឺការរចនារបស់ទូរស័ព្ទរបស់ក្រុមហ៊ុននីមួយៗនៅក្នុងឆ្នាំ2018នេះមានលក្ខណៈខុសប្លែកពីគ្នាហើយស្អាតម្យ៉ាងម្នាក់បាទអញ្ចឹង ZTE នៅពេលនេះក៏មិនខុសពីក្រុមហ៊ុនដទៃទៀតដែរណាការ design ទូរស័ព្ទរបស់គាត់មានលក្ខណៈទំនើបpremium ជាមួយនឹងកញ្ចក់ទាំងខាងមុខកញ្ចក់ទាំងខាងក្រោយអីចឹងទៅបើសិនជាយើងនិយាយអំពីទូរស័ព្ទស៊េរីកំពូលឬក៏ flagship ជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសបាទអញ្ចឹងយើងឃើញថាទូរស័ព្ទទាំងនោះគាត់បំពាក់កម្លាំងម៉ាស៊ីនកប់តែម្ដងដូចជា Snapdragon 845បាទអញ្ចឹង ZTE នៅពេលនេះក៏មិនខុសពីក្រុមហ៊ុនដទៃទៀតដែរបាទគឺបំពាក់កម្លាំងម៉ាស៊ីន Snapdragon 845បាទដែលមាន RAM 6GB ហើយនិង memory ក្នុងម៉ាស៊ីន 128GB ផងដែរហើយយើងក៏អាចថែម memory បានទៀតផងដែលជាចំណុចមួយដែលខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តបំផុតទៅលើទូរស័ព្ទផងដែរ ZTE Axon 9 Pro មួយនេះមានទំហំអេក្រង់ 6.2 អ៊ីនជាមួយនឹងបច្ចេកវិទ្យាអេក្រង់ភពវេហ្នឹងគឺ OLED ដែលមានកម្រិតអេក្រង់ភពវេហ្នឹងគឺ Full HD+ ដោយទៅនឹងទូរស័ព្ទគេផ្សេងចឹងដែរបាទអញ្ចឹងអ្វីដែលពិសេសបំផុតទៅលើ ZTE Axon 9 Pro នៅពេលនេះគឺវាមានគេហៅថា Depth Axon Vision នៅក្នុងអេក្រង់ភពវេហ្នឹងតែម្ដងមានន័យថារាល់ពេលយើងមើលវីដេអូឧទាហរណ៍ថាបងប្អូន download វីដេអូពី YouTube ចុះឬក៏ website អ្វីមួយចុះបាទអញ្ចឹងតើកាលណាបងប្អូនមើលវីដេអូទៅលើអេក្រង់របស់ ZTE Axon 9 Pro មួយនេះបាទបើសិនជាវីដេអូរបស់បងប្អូន play នៅក្នុងកម្រិត 25fps 24fps ឬក៏ 30fps ចុះបាទអញ្ចឹងអា Depth Axon Vision មួយនេះវានឹងព្យាយាមតម្លើង frame rate របស់វីដេអូរបស់យើងនឹងរហូតដល់ទៅ60fps ឯណោះបាទអញ្ចឹងការមើលវីដេអូរបស់យើងនឹងមានលក្ខណៈ smooth ជាងមានលក្ខណៈដើរល្អជាងវីដេអូពីធាតុពិតរបស់វាបាទវាជួយតម្លើងទាំង color វាជួយតម្លើងទាំងពណ៌អីចឹងទៅបាទអញ្ចឹងវាធ្វើឲ្យពណ៌វីដេអូយើងនឹងមានលក្ខណៈស្រស់ស្អាតជាងវីដេអូដើមរបស់យើងបាទអញ្ចឹងអាហ្នឹងមិនត្រឹមតែដើរជាមួយវីដេអូប៉ុណ្ណោះទេគឺវាដើរជាមួយហ្គេមដែរបាទនេះជាចំណុចពិសេសបំផុតសម្រាប់បងប្អូនដែលជាអ្នកលេងហ្គេមបាទអញ្ចឹងរាល់ការលេងហ្គេមរបស់បងប្អូនវាជួយតម្លើង frame rate ហ្គេមរបស់យើងនឹងរហូតដល់ទៅ60 frame ក្នុង1វិនាទីណោះបាទយើងហៅថា60fps បាទអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាដឹងហើយថានៅលើ OnePlus 6ក៏ដោយនៅលើ Note 9ក៏ដោយដែលបំពាក់កម្លាំងម៉ាស៊ីនខ្លាំងបាទដែលទូរស័ព្ទទៅនោះលេងហ្គេមបានល្អឥតខ្ចោះតែម្ដងបាទអញ្ចឹងអេក្រង់ refresh hertz របស់វានឹងគឺបានត្រឹមតែ 60Hz តែប៉ុណ្ណោះប៉ុន្តែជាក់ស្ដែងការលេងហ្គេមរបស់យើងនឹងវាមិនអត់អាចរត់រហូតដល់ទៅ 60Hz ដល់នោះទេបាទនិយាយឲ្យចំចំពោះ FPS របស់វាណាបាទអញ្ចឹងវារត់បានត្រឹមតែ25 30 40អញ្ចឹងអស់ខ្លាំងបាទអញ្ចឹងចំពោះ Axon 9 Pro នៅពេលនេះបងប្អូនលេងហ្គេមអ្វីក៏ដោយជាពិសេសបងប្អូនដែលចូលចិត្តលេង PUBG តែម្ដងបាទអញ្ចឹងវាធ្វើឲ្យហ្គេមរបស់យើងនឹងរត់នៅក្នុងកម្រិត 60fps តែម្ដងបាទមួយទៀតអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំចាប់អារម្មណ៍មែនទែនចំពោះ ZTE Axon 9 Pro នៅពេលនេះគឺទៅលើកាមេរ៉ារបស់វាបាទអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តមែនទែនចំពោះ configuration កាមេរ៉ាបែបបត់នៃការ set up កាមេរ៉ារបស់គាត់ bạn chẳngสำหรับเข้มตัวแบบบอทในการ set up กล้องได้เข้มโชว์จัดบังพดนั้นคือตัวเลือกแบบ LG แบบโดย LG G17Q โดยในเลือกแบบ LG V30 เองจังตึกแบบคือเข้มโชว์จัดตัวเลือก wide angle lens บางจังเข้มเปิดจีจ้องบาน wide angle lens เหมือนเต้นตัวเลือกตัวสับในมวยบางจังเป็น ZTE ก็กดโดย LG จังได้บางจังเข้มเปิดจีออกกล ZTE เหมือนเต้นแต่กดบานดักกล้อง wide angle พงให้นักดักสตองดาเลนพงในเลือกกล้องระบบกดบางจังชี้กำเนิดพอเข้มเต้จะพวกกล้องระบบไว้นี่บางปนคลาก็โจจัดเทเลโฟโต้เลนยังเตอซูมนะโดยชี้แบบพวก iPhone X หรือก็ Galaxy S9 ยังเตอบางจังอาจ zoom to time optical zoom ยังมั้งเบีย zoom รูปภาพยังการตะกี้ดังใบกับไม้บัดบางคนภาพเป็นยังเตอบางจังกล้องระบบไว้ในปีนี้คือมีตั้งห้อง12 เมกะพิกเซลบวกหนึ่งมา20 เมกะพิกเซลกล้องระบบกับบอกไว้ก็มีตั้งห้อง20 เมกะพิกเซลพองได้แต่ยังอาจเธอการถอดเซลฟี่บางสะอาดบันเทิงบางจังตัวซับได้สายยังอดมีนาได้จังเข้มอดดังทวีถอดบางสะอาดปนาตีแบบปันไตมา20 เมกะพิกเซลในปีนี้เข้มกระทวีเปิดจีกรบกรอนแต่ให้สำหรับเธอการถอดเซลฟี่ ZTE Axon 9 Pro ในปีนี้ก็มี Stereo Speaker โดยตัวหนึ่งตัวซับสรีคอมพูลเทียบได้บางจังยังเคยทวีมีนและขณะรอได้จะพวก Stereo Speaker ในปีนี้บางจังการบันทึกสำเร็จการสับจำเรียงพอยื่นตามมาเยอะSpeaker พอ ZTE Axon 9 Pro มันนี้เปิดจีตัวบอลบัดพิซซ่าพิโรลออเมนเทนไฮวีก็ support แค่หากถ้า Dolby Atmos sound ติดพกบางจังเข้มกระทวีเปิดจีลออเมนเทนแต่ง speaker บาแต่งกำลังมาสั้นแต่งไอคอนให้กลายเป็นนังเทียยังเคยทวีมีนจำนวนลอจิจานได้ตัวซับสรีคอมพูลกูแต่มีนบาโดยจีประปนแกปิตึกบาโดยจีแค่หากถ้า wireless charge บาโดยจี fast charge อันจังตึกบางจัง ZTE Axon 9 Pro ในปีนี้คือมีนสังกรบแต่งออกนะบางจังชมปัจจีร่มเพิ่มเหมือนเต้นได้เคย ZTE กดบัญชีตัวซับ Axon 9 Pro มือนี้ให้ปลดล็อกฟีเจอร์ดอลลาร์มาเอายืนได้ชนะปราบางจังจะพูดทำลายระบบ ZTE Axon 9 Pro ในปีนี้บางสันจียืนกัดจีลอยดอลลาร์เว้นเข้มกัดทาวีประหารจีปรำเปิล$100เชียงโอ้เข้มเพลย์มูติดคือจะเลยกำลังทมอพวีบางจังกำลังทมอระบบ ZTE Axon 9 Pro ในปีนี้คือมีตำหอมระหดเอาแต่4,000 มิลลิแอมแปร์เนาะบางจังนี่คือจีวิดีโอระบบเข้มในทั้งนี้อมปี ZTE Axon 9 Pro ในปีนี้บางจังสังคมทางเน็ตต่างออกในโจจัดให้บางสันจีบองโปนจังตามด้านจมูกเข้มไอบางจังสมคอมเพลตจูจุด subscribe มาเอาเข้มมาแนบมวยพงให้ไลค์บางสันจีจูจุดโรลในการใจสไตล์บอกเข้มบางจังเป็นนี่เกิดจมรีบองโปนต่างออกในปนังสั้นไม่บลีบาย